Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, Illinois, and we're looking at trailers. We got about 20 new ones here. This is one of our most popular models over the course of the last 21 years. This is called the Summit 40 TLFD. It's a park model RV. It's got gray vinyl siding with white windows and trim. And we'll go on in and check it out. The MSRP is around $57,000 on this. Again, it's one of my remaining 2019s. This is the Summit 40 TLFD. It's an RVIA approved park model. Tiny houses have nothing on these. So a few of the features I can point out right away. This one has a sleeper sofa and a front den that slides across so you can have a guest in your front den. You got a ceiling fan in the front room to keep everybody cozy. A nice little desk here. Little computer desk. Maybe an iPad desk. Closet. I always use these for office space when I take this to a show. Because like I said, it was one of our more popular trailers. You don't necessarily need the extra chair in here, but it doesn't hurt anything. The entertainment center's here. Probably your biggest limitation is around a 42-inch TV in this model, unless you put it someplace besides the entertainment center. You got a table and 4 chairs. You got a bench seat with storage underneath. Nice hutch. The hutch has quite a bit of storage in it. Everybody's always wanting to see more storage. Well, there's a lot of storage in this hutch. For starters, there's storage under that about 7-foot long bench seat we're looking at there. Nice big liquor cabinet. That's what this generally gets used for. Stainless steel faucet. You got a nice 30-inch range and microwave. That's a 5-burner propane stove. Got a 18.5 cubic foot fridge. I hear it running. This is a double loft. We'll visit the loft in a second, because we're going to look at the bathroom first. Nice big bathroom. Good for kids or adults alike. Got a fiberglass tub surround. Nice big shower. Always have the porcelain house stool. And again, we've got the plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor. I don't know, there's no light back here, but you can still see there's cabinets behind there. That's your linen closet, towel closet, whatever you want to call it, closet. My wife said, make sure you show them the linen closet. So there you have it. I'll make sure I show you the medicine cabinet too. Nice medicine cabinet. Vanity. Storage underneath. You got a hall pantry. Got house type rear entry door. That's one thing in this day and age. If a park model doesn't have a house type rear entry door, I don't know. I like the in-swinging house type rear entry door with the storm. There's a pantry. Now this, you actually step down into the master bedroom. I want to be sure and point that out. You step down into the master. That gives an extra foot to 14 inches of space in the upstairs loft. This particular unit has a mirrored wardrobe, a queen bed that you can walk all the way around, and a nightstand and a lamp. There's wood blinds on all the windows in all my trailers. That's a feature that's common. Again, there's your lit closet and closet rods. You got a little bit of storage under the steps here. You have full extension ball bearing drawer guides there. And in all the trailers, you have a clearly marked electrical panel behind the mirror in the master bedroom. So there's your electrical panel. Got that closed. Now for the best part, the kids always wanted a loft. This has a double loft. So it has a tall loft and a not so tall loft. So the rear is the taller of the two. And you actually got about 5 foot of space back there. I've seen people use that to anything from a kid's room, to a sewing room, to a craft room, to a cat house, to a dog house. You name it. Your imagination is the only limit. So there's the bigger side of the loft. I would think you could put at least 2 queen-size mattresses up there if you were so inclined. In the back loft is actually the same size as the master bedroom, so it's actually a little bit bigger because you don't have a queen bed or a bank of cabinets in it. Anyhow, you've seen the only carpeting in here. The only carpeting is in the master bedroom and the loft and the stairs leading to the loft. Okay, let's go back down and recap what we got here. House type rear entry door, plank, PVC flooring, nice big shower, vanity, flush toilet. Heading down into the kitchen, you got a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink, single lever faucet, chairs with storage underneath. You've got a dining room hutch, sleeper sofa, spare bedroom in the front, swivel rocker, entertainment center, flipped her over. Dual ceiling fans. I don't know why GoPro has to do that. It decided it wanted to flip up just because I was trying to show you the dual ceiling fans. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed my video. I got 16 or 18 more to make. So this is the 2019 Summit 40 TLFD, and this is unit number 5588. And its MSRP is about $57,000. So thanks for looking. This is one of the less expensive models. The Summit for $57,000. We have quite a few quill ridges that are more than that. Anyhow, we'll move on to the next one. If you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. Have a great day.